Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Adobe Color for accessible UI palette step by step clearly. To get started with Adobe Color, open your web browser. Go to the Adobe Color website by typing in color.adobe.com. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button in the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If you already have an Adobe account, enter your credentials and log in. If you don't have an account, click on the Create an Account link. Fill in the required information, such as your email address and password. Complete any additional requested details, then click the Continue button. You may receive a verification email. Check your inbox and follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Adobe Color website and log in again. Now that you are signed in, navigate to the Color Wheel section. Explore the various color harmony rules to create your desired palette. To focus on accessibility, click on the Accessibility tab located on the left side. Select the color contrast checker to ensure your palette meets accessibility standards. Experiment with different colors while keeping contrast ratios in mind. Once you are satisfied with your color palette, click Save. Choose a name for your palette and add any tags if desired. Click the Save Palette button to store your creation. You can access your saved palettes anytime by going to your Profile section. This is how you register and create accessible UI palettes with Adobe Color. Now you are ready to enhance your design projects with color confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.